What's good, y'all? Rugs here. Today's hardware review features the RazoRock HAWK V3. The HAWK V3 is an upgrade to the HAWK line of shavers offered by RazoRock. HAWK line equates to Artist Club style SE razors. Those are the wider modern version of a vintage single edge razor blade. This comes in 3 variations. This happens to be the standard variation, which is a medium aggressive shave. They also offer an open comb version with a slightly more aggressive shave, and they offer an A version, which is the most aggressive shave. This retails for $59.99 US. So the HAWK V3 features CNC milled 316L stainless steel as the materials of construction. You can see there's etching on the bottom of the base plate. Several handle options. I believe this is known as the halo handle. Fit and finish on this is very nice. Certainly not in the ultra premium razor finish category, but very nice in its own right, especially considering the price point. Because it is CNC machine, the tolerances are tight. Everything fits smoothly, snugly. A lot of ability to really crank this down and have no fear of the blade misalignment or blade wiggle or chatter, if you will, which typically wouldn't happen with these because of the rigidity of the razor blade itself. If you're familiar with the other HAWKs, this has a slimmer head than the previous versions. They've worked on the head geometry a bit. And the entire assembly weighs 88 grams. So I've been testing this razor for well over a week now, and I can tell you the HAWK V3 delivers on its promise of providing a medium aggressive shave. I really enjoy the balance of aggressiveness and efficiency that this razor offers. Really, for me, the test of a SE razor has always been the dome. That's where I can tell if the razor's good for my shaving style and preferences. It's opposite of how I evaluate DE razors. Typically, if I'm going to have trouble with a DE razor, it's on my face. Whereas most SE razors perform well on my face. Probably because of the fact that I most often use straight razors when face shaving. Anyhow, I really enjoy the shave of this. The angle of attack is easy to find and maintain. It's not a forced angle like some of the common SE style razors out there. I'm thinking of something like the Mongoose, where it has a forced angle due to the head geometry. I'd say this is a very ideal candidate for a daily driver for those of you who are into SE style razors. It's a close, comfortable shave, no irritation, and the right amount of aggression to be able to get a good shave without having to overthink the shave and be mindful of things like the razor biting you. First, I want to thank Chris Bailey for loaning me this RazoRock HAWK V3. We had a nice conversation. I was particularly interested in how this compared to the Blackland Vector. And he said, you know what, why don't I send it on up? You can review it yourself and see what it's all about. So thank you, Chris, for the loan on this. It'll be coming back to you very soon. So many of you will inevitably ask, how does it compare to the King of Razors in my den, which is the aforementioned Blackland Vector. This is my absolute favorite razor of all time. The razor that I reach for most on a daily basis for my dome shaves. And you can see they're very similar in the slimness of the head now, with the exception of this back bump, if you will. This retails for $225-ish. This retails for $60. So I don't take price into consideration when I talk about products or software. So I'm not gonna, tell you which is better for your budget. But I will say that I find this a great daily shaver for anyone that's wanting to try SE style Artist Club razors, and for you folks who really enjoy these type of razors. It has not dethroned this as the King of the Red Shaves den as a razor option, but I will be picking one of these up for some variety. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.